Hello my dear students, today I will teach you how to find the probability of each event. Here this question number 11 will be from each event. Okay, now this question is specially based on what you are getting. You will read this question will be based on not getting a spade. What is the probability of drawing a card from a standard deck? What is the probability of flipping a coin and not landing? So look carefully. Not landing. Carmela purchased 10 raffle tickets. If 250 were sold, what is the probability that the Carmela tickets will not be drawn? Not be drawn. It means you want to draw and one ticket will not be drawn. What is the probability of spinning a winner number 1 to 10 and not landing? So what is the key point? Please be careful about this question. It will not be getting. Like if you will talk about how many total cards, I told you in part 1, there are total 52 cards. Total 52 cards. Out of 52, 13 are heart, 13 are spade, 13 are club, 13 are hearts, 13 are diamonds. Okay, four types of cards. So spade are 13. So what is the formula for not getting event? Not getting, we put bar here. It will become 1 minus probability of getting the same. So probability of getting a spade is this, okay, for getting a spade, but here not getting a spade. How many spade cards are there? 13, 13 each, okay. So you can write their names. Spade will be 13 and your clubs will be 13. These are black cards and there are red cards, diamonds, 13 and HEART hearts 13. Okay, so I do not want spade card. So how many total spade? What was the probability of getting spade? Getting spade probability was 13 out of 56. So now use this formula 1 minus 13 out of 56. 13 out of 56, if you will divide it by 13 divided by 13, it will be 1 over 4. So 1 minus 1 over 4. So you can solve it. It will be 3 over 4, and if I want in decimal, it will be 0.75. If I want it in percentage, it will be 75%. I hope you understood this question. Now, question number 12. What is the probability of flipping a coin? If you will flip a coin, what will be your sample space? Either head or tail. So I want the probability of not landing a tail. Okay, so what was the probability of landing on tail was 1 out of 2. So 1 minus 1 out of 2, because only one tail out of 2. Total sample space has n of s has 2. Total outcomes in the sample space was 2, but not tail. What was the probability for getting tail was 1 out of 2. So 1 minus 1 of 2 will be again 1 of 2, and it can be 0.5 or it can be 50%. Now, Carmela purchased 10 raffle tickets and 250 were sold. I want the probability that the Carmela's one ticket not drawn. What is the probability that you are like how much is the probability of that 10 were total tickets? Getting probability of getting one ticket was 10 out of 250. So if I will solve it, probability of getting one ticket out of 10 was 1 over 25. But now I want not drawn. So P of E bar, not the ticket. So 1 minus 1 over 25. So it will be solve it. 1 minus 1 over 25 will become 24 over 25. You can make it in the decimal by multiplying by 4. So you will get 96 by 100. So it will be your answer. What is the probability of spinning a spinner number 1 to 10? What will be your sample space? I will have either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. And what is the probability of ending on the 5? Only there is one 5. Okay, the probability of landing on 5 is 1 over 5. Okay, landing on 5, but I want not landing on 1 over 6, sorry. Only 1 5 and 1 over 6 is the probability of landing on 5, but not landing on 5 will become 1 minus 1 over 6. When we do 1 minus 1 over 6, directly you can write 5 over 6. And if you want to make it a decimal, you can divide. If you are not allowed calculator, you can divide, because 5 is a smaller number. Put decimal, make it 50, it will go by 8, it will go 48, and it 2 will be down, and 20, and it will be 3 3 like this. Okay, every time you will get, and it will be 0.83 is your probability. I hope you understood question number 11 and do it carefully.